to the volcano spicy noodle challenge. Let's see how Eric is trying to do in this challenge. Let's get into the video.
What it do, BandRunnerz squad? What's up, you guys? It's your girl Shunda, and we're back with another freaking video, you guys. As you tell by the title, you guys, we are doing the volcano chicken noodle challenge. Now, this has been highly requested for us to do a spicy noodle challenge. So, what do you think?
It's gonna be hot, man. Like them other ones, I like them, but like if you don't put the season on them. You know what I'm saying? Just the sauce.
We're going all the way this time.
Man, they do be hot, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
We're going all the way, you guys. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? So if you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe, turn your post notifications on, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you comment down below, okay? So we're finna jump. We're finna boil these noodles. We got the pots right here ready for you guys. We're finna go ahead and get them going.
Get them pots boiling.
Okay? Let me see. Let me set y'all up right here. So we finna cut this fire on, get these bad boys boiling, you know what I'm saying? Get these booties burning. Okay, so we got the noodles. Got the noodles. You got the volcano. Volcano.
What's the sauce?
This was something we So let's let these boil. Okay, hold down.
Sauce ain't gonna change your color.
Alright. Okay, listen here, guys. We are back. We have our noodles cooked. We have not added the contents to it.
Okay.
I'm so nervous. I'm so scared. I never had, like...
They gonna be hot, man.
They called the volcano noodles. Like, I don't understand. Like,
you see, them other ones were called the 2-time hot.
yeah, that was called 2-time spicy noodles. This is called the volcano. Volcano noodles. I'm scared, y'all. Like, okay.
Like chicken fry. Ain't just like
yeah, the chicken fry, like... That's crazy. It says that's crazy hot. Let's stop talking. I'm trying to talk myself out of it.
Alright, so without further more
shout out to Shaka Khan. She really been requesting this a lot.
Requesting this? Alright. Like I said, y'all requested. More than happy to do it, fam.
Alright.
Let's get to it. Man.
Oh my.
That's sauce. Look how much when it comes out.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
See, it be looking like teriyaki sauce at first, but it be like red, fam.
Look at this. Oh my god.
Kind of that sauce.
We're gonna put everything in there.
Everything
you
on
might as
it.
well.
We're gonna do it right. Last time, we kind of like shortchanged y'all a little bit.
Kind of playing with it and stuff. Well, you might as well, right? You might as well.
You might as well do it.
Ain't that the right way?
Do it the right way.
But that other one on there.
I don't know about this.
I don't know about doing this. She like
volcano noodles, man. The smell like.
Alright. Oh well. Right.
Mix it up, man.
The smell even like I'm like, oh no, I don't even know what we got ourselves into. I don't know. Look at the seasoning.
Oh, you put the seasoning in it too?
Oh my god.
Yeah, you gotta try it without it first to do this.
Yeah, you gotta do it right.
Man, that stuff.
You gotta do it right.
All that pepper and stuff.
Oh my god.
Dang.
I don't think that's the hot stuff. I just say roasted sesame, seaweed, and something. Oh no.
Nah, the seeds. Alright, I put it in. They put it in.
Yeah, to put it in. We got that.
There's like a bunch of peppers.
It's strong, like, man.
It's strong.
Making me nervous already. Oh my gosh, y'all.
Let me see.
That's
probably just like some seasoned stuff.
I think it's just some seasoning. Cause you can't even
put it in, right?
Yep.
Alright, gotta mix that up.
Okay, everything's in, fam.
Everything's in. That's the part that y'all gotta eat it.
But who's ready for this wedding. We ready for this wedding.
Oh, yeah, y'all wedding, y'all.
3 months, man.
3 more months, y'all about to get married. Oh my gosh, like seriously.
That time, bro. Time
We
to
ready.
jump
We ready to share this
Time
moment.
to grow up. Can't be a kid forever, right?
I know. It's time for me to grow up.
But you can be a childish man.
You can be a childish woman. You a childish woman.
What that sound like, man?
Don't play with your food.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
You sick, man.
I'm just kidding.
Oh my gosh. You ready? God is good, God is great. Want to thank you for this food. Amen. Bless us. Pray.
Lord help us.
You know, so I told y'all not to get it. Y'all ready?
Yeah, time for y'all to eat it. Come on.
Look.
Put it to y'all mouth. Come on.
Look at this. Up.
Dang.
Something popped in my face. Oh.
You ready?
Yeah, come on, son. Get your.
Man.
I'm
come on. Y'all
scared.
scared to eat it?
Like, they look good, fam. My mouth's watering, but then I know it ain't.
Come on, eat it. Come on, yo.
I'm ready when you are.
Go ahead. Y'all.
You ready?
Come on.
I mean, like, we don't even know what we trying to do. We don't even know if we trying to eat this whole bowl. Or we just
gonna
trying to.
go as far as we can. I mean,
Okay, that's as far as we can do. I mean, ain't no timing on this because y'all can't do. We don't let y'all do us like that.
Or we just gonna like eat, fam. Like, you know.
Okay. All right. Let me. Okay. You ready?
Yes.
Johnny, you're not gonna eat yours. You looking at Eric eat his. You're not gonna eat yours. You just stalling right now. Come on, Johnny. Come on. You gotta try to.
I'm trying to wait on it. Cause that's what
you can't wait all day. Don't say.
Oh!
That's time. That's time.
Oh shit! It's hitting me now.
That highness just hit y'all taste buds.
I'm sorry.
I'm trying like not to think about it.
Okay, come on. Come on.
Your tongue is burning. Your tongues are burning.
Come on. Come on.
Your tongues are burning for days.
Why you hit me? I ain't tell you to eat it.
I didn't hit you.
Oh. Okay.
Talk about it. No tongue cannot take things.
That's good though. Come on.
And y'all over there crying. Y'all crying.
Volcano noodles.
You're hurting, man. You're hurting. You're hurting. Nothing about your earth to get done. You're hurt everything.
You ain't eating them. Why you leave me by myself?
Here go Eric. You want to go eat by
They gonna have heartburn today.
You're not eating them.
Come on, Eric. Dad is trying to give me something.
You leave me by myself.
I'm still eating it. She's still going.
What's wrong? I'm here to see.
Right out of them seeds.
Got me itching.
When I bit it, like a mouthful of them seeds got in my mouth.
Oh, them seeds.
Yeah, eat your noodles. That's how I cook dinner for you.
Man, this
Feel
is
like I'm
like
crack. Itching and scratching. Yeah, eat them.
What do you mean you ain't eating them?
You want something to drink?
Yeah. Bro, it's freaking hot, man. Oh, thank God.
That's gonna help you out a whole lot. It's gonna probably watch down the hotness.
It's still hot.
Oh,
It feels so good.
that felt like relief, bro.
Well, y'all see we don't do good.
I'm trying not to think about it, bro.
Yeah, I'm
I'm telling you,
not
the seeds got in my mouth.
I don't think them seeds hot. I think it's the volcano flavor season. What?
Go
Go
ahead.
ahead.
I ate 5 times.
I can't, like I want to, bro. And it's just so dang hot.
Get. You gotta eat more. You can't just be sitting there drinking the juice all the time. Yeah.
I just burn. I had a burp. I don't know what to do.
You don't know what to do.
I'm confused. Oh, it's a burp. I can't. My mouth burning. Oh.
Y'all started to want to do this challenge.
I think, I'm trying to think about it, guys, but I think babe, when I go throw up. She get like bad indigestion and heartburn. I can barely even talk. But I know that the other ones were even hotter though. I don't know why these seem so hot to me, but I still think the other ones were hotter. More? Want me to go one more time for y'all?
One more time, man. Come on, man.
It's just so hot.
Come back.
Okay.
Bam, puke. Like the arrow from DK4L.
Oh, you had to go straight there, say that.
Bro, I keep my we keep the refrigerator in there like super cold. This green tea is like so freaking good.
Yeah.
Better than.
But this was a failure.
It was a failure.
Like they're good though. They're good. They're really good, fam. Like you wanna keep eating
I just
them.
blow my nose there. I was gonna wipe my mouth too. I'm confused.
But they're so hot. Like you're trying to get another bite, and you're like ah.
I tried, y'all. I did. I really tried to do it for the team. This was a straight failure.
Try eating them.
We hope y'all guys enjoyed
It's so good though. I'm trying to get used to them. I
It's
want
so
to eat
good,
them.
but he ain't eating them. It's so good. It's so good, but he ain't
You
eating
talk so
them.
much about it, but you don't want to eat it. Come on,
They so good, he ain't eating them.
you
What
talk
you
about
mean,
something, but you ain't
though?
going to eat
They
it.
so good. You acting like Cam. They so good, but you ain't
Watch
eating them.
this.
Why you sweating? Look at your
Yeah,
nose.
he's shaking. He's
So you
shaking.
gonna invite somebody else over?
He's shaking.
You wanna go one time for the squad?
One
Go
more
ahead.
time.
I don't know.
That's on you. It's on you.
If it ain't for the squad, then I ain't gonna do it.
It's for the squad. Come on, you got
Come
it.
on, Ed.
I'm out, y'all. I can't eat no more. my lips burning bad.
Come on, Ed.
Try not to think of that. It might not
You
matter,
keep on
right?
thinking about it. That's why you're not going to do it. You keep on thinking about it. You ain't going to
They feel like as hot as
And you gonna bite it?
yes,
you gonna
but
keep
they're as hot as
trying to get you that face. Like,
what's the female we met, babe? I can't even think of it. I can't even think right now.
Your nose sweating bad.
What's her name?
I can't think. I don't
The one that
know.
eats the seafood.
D-Love.
Yes, it tastes as hot as her sauce. It's like so good, but she just wanted more. You know what I'm saying? Know what I mean?
I ain't eating no more. I'm sorry, y'all.
One
Sorry.
time for the
I'm
squad.
out. I'm out.
One time for the squad.
yeah, one time,
You want me
man.
to
Come
eat
on,
some
keep
No,
talking.
babe, you ain't really puke twice.
I couldn't. Oh, Yeah, that boy did it. Hey, Team E in the comments, y'all. Team E in the comments, y'all. Spam the comments with Team E.
That one hurt my heart.
Okay, spam the comments, Team E. Already. Hype my boy up. Come on, E. Eat the rest, E. Eat the rest, E. Eat the rest. Oh, okay. Hold on.
My butt ain't gonna be blown out.
You gonna sit down on the toilet, your ass gonna be trying to sit.
Bro, my hole gonna be as big as this ring light.
But that's gonna put an end to the video. We hope you guys enjoyed it. We're in and we out. Peace out, squad. This time we gon' make it. Together we gon' shine. Can't let them see us fall, so we always on the grind. We headed to the top, baby. Say we headed to the top, baby. This time. How do you say it? Like volcano chicken noodles. Volcano chicken noodles. Delightful.
They're good though. They said they like them.
But you like them. I'm confused. Which one is it? You like it or you don't like it? Y'all ain't one noodle.
Thank you guys for watching. If you comment and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, click that subscribe and turn your post notifications for every time there's another reaction video. So if I current subscribers, thank you for coming on the view. To our next video, give the rest of squad. And I'll see you all on the next reaction video. Bye for now.